y'all boy, man. I don't know if y'all can see, but up there we got a whole nother Mopar. We got like 2-3 Mopars up there. And shit, I just turned the camera on, man. Like they were getting active in traffic. Like they up there trying to reel they shit up. Man, they're trying to reel they car up. I'm like, man, hold on, I can't be sitting back here looking like a little, you already know what I'm finna say, but I ain't trying to cuss on YouTube for real. So, yeah, man, they out here trying my Scat. I think they got some RTs up there too. I really wanted to weed through traffic and catch up with them. But nah, man, we chilling today. I just want to cut the camera on, on a chill little vibe, man. Give y'all a little POV, man. I'm gonna just sit back, chill. Let y'all boy, see the cruise. I'm gonna try to, keep this raw and edit, pause. But yeah, man. Y'all in the comment section, y'all said keep dropping, so I'm gonna keep dropping. Pause. But yeah, I'm gonna keep dropping videos back to back. And let me know if y'all like the raw and edit or the edited videos. I try to I don't even edit my videos on like how I used to. I used to go in full in detail editing, but now I just kind of chop it up a little bit. I don't know if y'all kind of like that style or full on editing. Just let me know in the comment section. I got y'all. Y'all know I can damn edit for real. If y'all ain't know, man, I used to have a gaming channel and all that, bro. I used to edit like crazy. But damn, bro, you all in my lane, man. Hey, man, I'm trying to get y'all a little POV. There go the charger right there. Cool little Mopar, man. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was just telling somebody else, Mopar probably the best, best thing that ever, best car I ever had, bro. Challenge, best car I ever had. I had a what's the name, a Mustang. I don't know why I keep calling everything a what's the name. Think, nigga, think right now. But I had a Mopar, I had a Mustang, and I had what you call that? I wouldn't even count that other car, man. I had a Mustang. And I had a Camaro for a little bit, so shit, that's just the best one to me. I ain't gonna lie. Material and everything. Ooh, let me hop back over here. I know I had a damn bullet RT one time, man. I'm just playing. I don't do no RT like that, man. Y'all know I like y'all RTs, man. Y'all know I like y'all RTs. I think that this nigga car right here. Oh, he got the Lexus. That's why. Hold on now. Oh, he got that Sport too. Shit, he don't want no smoke though. I think he got his cats cut. He don't want no smoke. He ain't want no smoke for real. But yeah, we finna hit the highway in a minute. And cruising through the city. Give y'all a little POV right quick, man. As I said for the 10,000th time. But hey, just let y'all know what's going on. If y'all wanna know what's going on, that's what's going on. Oh shit, we got the old school. I bet called it XXT. I can't even say it. Hold on, XXT. That's a weird ass name. Hey, y'all, I should make a video on what you call that, the truth behind SRT. Nigga, I'm finna be a conspiracy theorist. I'm up the trip. My shit snatching the ground, boy. Better get new tires in a minute. C4 engine be pulling. Well, these folks finna cause a wreck. No type of blinkers. Damn, what? Go ahead and get over, my boy. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, I was just chilling tonight, man, in the SRT, man. I've been having fun ever since I came back and been driving my car, bro. I ain't even been wanting to cut the camera. I just been wanting to enjoy my car for real, just hear that sound and not even make no content. But I still want y'all to enjoy the content too, enjoy the car too. So, you know, I had to cut the camera back on for y'all too, man. I can't leave y'all out. I can't let y'all be hanging, man. I can't leave y'all hanging, for real. So I had to give y'all some content, man. See, y'all boys in the comment section don't give up. Y'all saying don't give up. I'm like, man, I ain't give up, man. I just, you know, had to handle some bending right quick, man. You know, I told y'all probably like 5-6 times, but shit, I just started truck driving. I just got my CDL and I just started with a new company. I had to do like training for like over the road for like 30 days, and I had just got done like last week, and I had to like a week off and went on vacation before I, you know, go over the road and all that. Went on vacation with the family and all that, but yeah, man, it was cool. It was straight, man. Hold on, y'all, boy. Let me get over. Nigga won't even let you over, for real. Look how this nigga just stopping. He trying to cause nigga to run into him. But yeah, man, it's a chill little Saturday night right here. I might be going out a little bit. Hey, let me know if y'all like that little vlog that I did in my last video. I was kind of like, you know, putting in real life stuff in the vid too. So let me know if y'all want stuff like that too. And yeah, I do that. So I was thinking about, you know, making me a vlog channel. I already had one, but I kind of like gave up on it for real. So I mean, I do it again. I, you know, make another one, reboot it, or even like probably, you know, reboot the other one. Ain't none of me. But yeah. I'm in Mexico. Let me chill out. So I'm tripping. I'm not tripping. This is a fake video y'all see. This is all fake. What Dirt say? This is not real. This is a fake video. Look like. But yeah, man. Just chilling tonight. On some chill vibes. Let me know what type of videos y'all want next, man. Y'all want like the car meet content? Y'all want like, you know, POVs, some more POVs, some you know, 360 POVs. I got the 360 camera. I can pull that out. I got some, you know, the head POVs. Pause. No. Damn, why did I say that? Like, no. All right, so y'all know the little thing that go on your head for the GoPro, right? Boom, like that. That type of POV. I should have just said it like that. That shit was just wild what I just said. But yeah, man, I got that. I got some more stuff. Man, just let me know what type of videos y'all want, man. I'll make it. See the Scat just screaming right now. Let y'all hear them. Man, if I get my muffler cut, man, oh my goodness. This shit sounds so loud. These Chrysler's like the ugly. I don't know if y'all can see that, but old Chrysler's like the ugly Chrysler's ever. I don't even know if I said that right, but they just ugly. Some of Mopar cars just like, why you even make that? Like, nigga, who wanna drive that? Nigga be down to their last. I still want them driving that. Shit. But nah, I'm just playing. Car's a car, man. As long as it get you from A to B, shit, I'm with it. I'm with you. So y'all, as y'all can see, man, I've been trying to like limit the cussing that I do on my channel, because it's a lot. Like, it could be wilding sometimes. I just be like excited about the car. That's why I be cussing, but I try not to. So I'm trying to get a clean channel, man. Clean little channel for real, dog. See, look, there we go. There we go. The cars be getting me excited. But they gonna be raw and unedited, man. I ain't editing none out. Ain't none getting edited out. See, these called blinkers, guys. Some of y'all use it. Some of y'all don't know how to use them. You just hop right in front of you, don't use no type of blinker. I'm like, bro, come on now. It's getting hot. Hold on. Y'all hear that though? Scat sound like a cat now. Sound like the cat. I know y'all heard that whine. Really want to put a bigger intake on here. Hey man, I know I've been telling me I'm gonna upgrade my car and all that, but hey, I really ain't been having no time, bro. Cause like over the road, I just been like, you know, driving. As soon as I get done driving, I eat, take a shower, go straight to sleep, drive. It just repeated cycle. So it just like, when I find a time I can go on a website and all that, like American Muscle, something like Amazon or something, I just find me some parts. And when I get the parts and all that, it just, you know, I'm gonna put it on the car and I'm gonna record it for y'all. See, I'm just a type, I ain't gonna like, you know, rush and do nothing. Like, I'm gonna just, you know, see what's right for me in my car and like, what's right for the channel and what should I do for real. I ain't gonna rush and do nothing, bro. I ain't like everybody else. I mean, like, ain't no problem, like, getting on parts, putting your car and all that, but I'm just saying, like, I ain't, like, as soon as I get my car, I ain't gonna be the type of nigga, like, oh, I gotta put this on my car, I gotta put that on my car. Shit, I do it over time, bro. You know how much time it took me to change my wing on my Mustang that I had? I had that car for about a year and a half or something like that, or a year. Then I changed the wing. I wouldn't even into the race cars like that. Well, I wouldn't even say race cars, but most of the cars like that. Until like a year after I had that Mustang. Then that was when I really got into it. That's when I put it up in there, put it on there. But before that, I ain't even care about no car for real. I was like, as long as it get me from here to here, I'm straight. But now, I love it. So once I start really modding my car, that's when I think I'll fall in love with it. But right now, I really don't be modding my car like that. So y'all in the comment section don't be, I mean, like, oh, man, it's not a wide body. It's not, you don't have a intake or something. Like, come on, bro. Like, nigga, I got a Scat pack, nigga. The fuck is you talking about? Let me chill out. I got a Scat. Nigga talking about, oh, it's not wide body. Nah, let me stop. I ain't gonna even say nothing. But just know I be seeing y'all comments. Sometimes I don't be responding to it, but I be seeing something on. It's all cool though. I be liking when some of y'all like, you know, respond like with stuff like that. It just it made YouTube like fun. Like I don't know, not fun, but like it's entertaining. Like it's funny. Basically, it's funny. Damn, bro, done caught somebody back there. These niggas are not playing tonight. So yeah, man, y'all boy, they gonna do it for this video because these niggas outside tonight in Mexico. This a fake video though. But yeah, man, I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. They're gonna be raw and unedited. So y'all boy, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And yeah, until y'all, until the next video, let's do it.